Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Lebitso la ka ke nna Selloso, a social media sangoma who is probably seeking fame on social media, is trending again, and of course let's give him that, as he is there with a very big snake, and is basically saying that his ancestors wants, or rather demands, him to be in a relationship with Gogo Maweni, or TV personality Somizi. Now in the video he says that his ancestors told him he should marry the both of them. However, I found that rather laughable. You guys, what do you think? This is trending actually, which is the reason why I decided to just talk about it. I know most of you are wondering like, oh, why did you do it? Guys, please do engage with me in the comment section, and of course subscribe, share this video as much as you can. I truly appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one.
Julie, Mawulel, Madimo Baka Barikinyale, Batubabi. Hey, Bamponza, Gogo Maweni Somizi. I'm confused. Julie.